Hello, my name is DJ, and today I'm going to show you this 2018 International Durastar box truck I've got behind me. I hope you enjoy. We also have liftgate options available for these units as well. As you can see, the truck is very clean, it's detailed, it's been pressure washed from one end to the other, along with the interior clean. Okay, we're going to step inside the cab now so you can see how clean she is, as well as visibility, and how easy it is to reach all the controls. As you can see, we've got great visibility. Also very easy to reach all the controls in the instrument cluster. Extremely clean as well. Okay, we're going to go under the hood now so you can see the 220 horsepower Cummins ISB engine. You can see how easy it is to service this unit. Everything is easy to reach, easy to check. Here we are in the back of the truck. Here's the box, as you can see. Extremely clean. It's got the high roof as well. Good lighting. This truck also has available factory-backed warranty options as well. Hope you've enjoyed my video. You can contact me for more information at 615-287-2508. Thanks, have a great day.